Hello, I'm Chico!
And I am Chico.
What?
I am Poppy.
Well, you're shorter than Chico.
Oh. What are we doing today? What are all these disgusting things on our table?
The Goldfish Challenge!
Goldfish Challenge. We had a goldfish once, remember?
Yeah, he was actually like big.
He was big. Herman, his name was.
His name was Herman?
Herman.
I don't remember.
Named after Herman Munster. Yes, he was a big, huge, big, fat goldfish. I think I had a hard time flushing him down the toilet after he died. Every time you go to the stupid fair, you end up getting a stupid goldfish. And then it dies, and then you gotta try to get rid of it before the kids find out. All right, what kind of flavors do we have?
Cheddar Jack.
Pretzel.
Pizza.
S'mores.
Okay, wait.
Ranch.
Parmesan.
Parmesan and cheddar.
Tomato.
And my all-time yuckiest brownie. That might be good, brownie. I don't know. It's kind of weird to think
Brownie my ownie.
a goldfish with these flavors. It just sounds disgusting
Ew!
to me. Nobody can see what you're doing.
It looks like tuna fish.
Maybe it is
It
tuna.
it looks like tuna fish with celery sticks in it.
They should have tuna fish flavor to make it even yuckier. All right, who goes first?
You.
I always gotta go first. I gotta try to remember these flavors. Okay, feed me, Seymour. No shenanigans this time. We're gonna be doing it right and right only. Oh, I get this one little pathetic little one. Is that all I get? This little this little dinky little one here. This little one.
Stop, you elephant. Bucktooth Billy. Bucktooth Illy.
Okay, I taste nothing. Give me another one. Give me a couple of them. I have no idea.
I'm terrible at these!
Holy cannoli. I almost said a bad word.
Holy shoot.
Now, if you ask me, straight up, I would tell you it's just a basic regular cheddar one.
What?
Just a regular cheddar one.
Incorrect.
Oh! It just tastes like a regular goldfish.
That was Parmesan.
That wasn't Parmesan.
Yes,
You're
that was.
fibbing me.
Ah!
Fibber!
Oh. Oh. So I got that. That didn't taste like Parmesan, I gotta say. Just for the
I don't
record.
want to do this.
You have to. YouTube life. Did you show them which one you gave me? Probably not. I'm gonna show them which one I'm giving you.
Oh, mama.
It's careful, it's gonna be your favorite one.
Your face?
Eat it!
Please don't hit me.
That's not the slap challenge. Uh-oh. Hey, there's a bucket this time. Not a bucket, but a bucket bowl. Is it that bad? Goldfish? We should have had a real goldfish. That could have been a punishment. You have to swallow a real goldfish.
Yeah, but we have to dip a hot pepper in our worst favorite thing. Pizza
Pizza?
or tomato.
You were wrong. It was carrot. That's my new laugh. Would you like that if I laugh like that all the time for the rest of my life?
You could be.
Okay.
Shut up, Rebecca.
Oh, now I'm Rebecca?
Uh-huh.
What was I last time?
Linda.
Brenda to Rebecca. I'm getting better names. Okay.
Oh.
Why don't you give me like 3 at a time? You know why 3 would help? Because I know when we get to like the s'mores, we're gonna need 3, okay? Good idea? Ooh, these are bigger. Look at. Ooh. Look, I'm a goldfish. I'm a goldfish. Oh, I'm a goldfish.
Wait, I dare you to do that again.
Ooh.
Do that again. Do it again.
Ooh, I'm a goldfish. Ooh.
Oh, I see you, goldfish.
That hurt. Hey, stop. Wait, first thing I gotta say, right off the record, right off the bat, these taste good.
When do I ever say that?
the problem is I don't know what it tastes like. Got some stuff on it.
Got some.
Oh, what would it be? I'm gonna pizza. Tastes good though. I like
That's
it.
ranch.
That's ranch. I hate ranch.
Oh, I hate you too.
If you made me like take a thing of ranch, I would
Actually,
throw up.
I'm gonna put it right down here.
Oh yeah, you do that.
Shut up, Rebecca.
Come on.
Rebecca Einstein.
You're gonna remember which ones we did, right?
Oh,
Oh, which one should I give him?
maybe.
How about this one? Ooh, this one sounds good, but I bet it's not. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. You get 3. You're supposed to have 3 just in case it's the 3 one. What if it's the 3 one? One of these you have to have 3 to get the flavor. Oh, brother.
S'mores.
I tricked you! It was fudge brownie!
I knew it was chocolate.
I said you had to take 3, and I tricked you. Oh, heartburn. Oh, is it my turn already?
Yeah.
Why are you so close to me, Brenda? Ew. Not with that breath. Not with that bad breath. Oh, key cannoli. It's got to be 3. Give me 3. No more, no less. Rolling, rolling, rolling. And we got to eat 3 at a time, okay? That way we won't mess up that s'more one. These are salt.
You look like a toad.
Oh! Oh!
Ew, ew, ew. Ew, that looks like... That looks like...
Yuck! It's terrible! What is it? I have no idea what that is, but it's terrible. Chico, I don't know what it is.
What is it?
I don't know.
Just say an answer.
I have to look at my sheet. Tomato. That sounds disgusting,
It was
tomato.
the same one that I had.
Brownie?
Mm-hmm.
No! I would have thought I liked brownie.
I have 2.
That tasted disgusting.
You just
It did. It was gruesome.
gruesome.
Gruesome. Oh, I better not say that. I get in trouble. Whose turn? Is it your turn? Oh boy. Oh wow.
Can I get a taco for me and my brother?
Okay, come on.
Bogota.
Come on, Goldfish boy. Did I give him this one yet?
Can I get a taco?
How do I know which ones I gave you?
My name is Rebecca.
I don't think I gave you this one yet.
Ah, it's in my
Okay,
eye.
you get 3. No more, no less. Your hands are turning color.
What?
What? You're supposed to eat 3 at a time. Hey, I gotta pick that up. If you don't do 3 at a time, you'll never know when you get the s'mores. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Nobody can hear you. You know, we are on a time limit.
Tomato.
Tomato?
Mm-hmm.
You're right. Is that the first one you got right yet? Is that the first one you got right? Ew! I gave you a thing to throw up in and you throw it up right in front of it. Look at how disgusting that is.
It looks like buffalo.
It looks like it came out of your mouth after you chewed it.
Eat up.
Ew, no. Ew! You gonna put that back in there when Angelina eats these? That would be cheating. Okay.
Okay.
I don't think we're doing good on these. Make sure you give me 3, no more, no less. And remember when you get to the s'mores to give me the 3 different ones. I'll do the same for you, I promise. I don't promise. I never promised you a rose garden.
You got it on my Apple Watch.
Oh, well, don't spit out. That's not no more, no less. If it's only 3, then I know that it could be s'mores. It has to be 3. I have to repeat myself multiple times.
I just
3. Do you know how to count? 3 is right before 4. 1, 2.
Don't get offensive. Oh, that guy's offensive. He's like,
Yuck!
look, I'm gonna run. Whoa!
I'm gonna say this is just straight up cheddar.
It's a type of cheddar.
Am I right?
It's a type of cheddar.
No,
Yeah.
no,
Yeah.
no. It's just cheddar.
No. So it's just cheddar.
It's cheddar. It's not the cheddar jacked. It's just the regular original cheddar one. What is it?
Cheddar jack.
That's not the jacked one. No, it's not spicy at all. Isn't it supposed? Doesn't jacked mean spicy? Maybe it doesn't. Maybe
Are
it just
you
means it's
spicy?
got extra cheddar in it. Maybe.
That means
If a guy's name is Jack, he has extra teeth in his body. Okay.
He has 3 extra teeth. Oh, hi, my name is Jack.
I'm just gonna.
Now we're insulting Jacks all around the world. Give me 3.
You have a bad memory. You guessed Cheddar Jack.
It's your turn?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing.
Open your eyes.
I couldn't open my eyes. I had my eyes covered up.
Well, you don't have a family.
How do I have a family. I have multiple families.
Yeah, 17.
Okay. 3.
You broke it.
Well, you're holding your hand the wrong way.
Pizza.
Correct. Can you try to get it in the bucket, maybe? Are
I'm.
you trying to make more work for Rocco? Don't hit Rocco. Hit Rocco. Hit him. Hit him. Hit Rocco.
Oh, that was a decent.
That's not very. Poor Rocco. Hey!
I hit the lens.
That's good. Now it's got residue all on it for the whole rest of the episode. Don't do that.
Oh, I had bad aim.
All right. Is it my turn now?
Yeah. No, don't, Brenda.
3. Where are you? That's only 2.
No, it's not. Open your eyes, you old fish.
Oh, I taste nothing.
I'm better cook
I
you
taste
with
nothing.
a dish. Maybe a pasta. Dish.
Pretzel! Oh my
I
goodness.
haven't been marking these down. You got like,
I can't even remember my name today.
I think you got 5 wrong.
Hey, that's not very nice. What was it?
Huh? That was
Easy for you to say.
that was carrots.
That was carrots?
Mhm. Carrots.
I'm starting to forget.
Pineapple. Carrots. Pineapple. Carrots. Pineapple. St. Ives. Lotion. Ibuprofen.
Okay.
Metal,
How am I supposed to remember which ones I gave you? I can't remember.
it's called-
Did you mark them somewheres?
No, those are my.
So how do
two
I know
that
which ones I gave you?
I've been going off my memory.
Really? I don't
Ow!
I don't have a memory. I don't have a memory.
Okay, Joey.
Who?
Joey.
That's not very nice.
You know Ellen DeGeneres? She does the name, not the name.
We're gonna give him
the
this one.
voice.
Okay, give me your hand the normal way.
Okay, so it's.
You have to taste it. That would be the correct way to do it. Instead of smelling it and then throwing it at Rocco. Ha ha ha!
S'mores.
Correct.
What did I hit?
I don't know, but stop doing that.
That actually tasted pretty good.
You ruin that lens and then we have a problem. We have to do this whole thing over again.
You have to do the whole entire trio over again. Okay, let me get
Feed me, Seymour! You have to mark the ones that I've given you too, because I can't remember.
wasabi.
Are we getting close to the end? Because I'm going to vomit soon.
I hope you vomit
Vomit,
in your
vomit.
mouth. And then I'm gonna eat it from my couch.
Cheddar.
Yeah.
Yes? 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 Yes?
Yeah!
I got one right. Ooh, ooh, ew. Yuck.
Ew.
Oh, it's so confusing.
The one with the dot next to it, I did not do.
Okay, cover up. Cover up, Geppetto.
Wait, you got the last one right, yeah.
Cover up, Geppetto.
Cuddle up, come.
Here comes three. Here comes three.
Oh.
Oh, whatever could it be? I wonder, darling, what it could be.
Regular.
Messy
Did I make
Marvin. You were correct. It was cheddar. No, you didn't make it. The only thing you made was a mess. Messy Marvin. Try not to be so messy, Marvin.
I'm gonna eat your pretzel.
Come on.
Okay, here you go.
It's a little short.
What was this for?
Messy Marvin, Messy Marvin, Messy Marvin, Messy Marvin. Is this gonna take long? That's not 3.
Yes, that's full.
Then I know right off the bat it's not s'mores.
It is.
Yuck!
I'm pretty sure I already ate.
Oh, that's pretzel.
Eat quick.
That is pretzel. Ha ha!
No, that was s'mores.
No, pretzel. I actually tasted that one. Ha ha ha! Oh, mess,
I
mess,
love
mess.
to break things.
Mess.
I'm gonna break you.
Messy Marvin, Messy Marvin, Messy Marvin.
Messy Brenda.
Okay, cover your face.
Big mouth Billy.
Cover your mouth. Cover your face.
Why?
Now, which one should I give you now?
I'm medicated.
I thought you had pizza already.
Yeah, I already did.
You didn't mark pizza.
I forget. Fredo.
Oh, brother.
Fredo. Hello,
Okay.
Fredo.
Here we go. Taste them.
Ew. This
Epic crunch.
is a ranch.
You have to taste them. Come on.
Okay. What?
Cheaters never prosper.
Cheetos never pass.
Oh boy. I'm gonna take a nap over here while I wait.
Oh, this one's have a lot
A lot of what?
of salt.
Oh, soap?
Salt.
Soap.
Salt.
What is it? Oh, it's terrible.
Salt on the graham crackers. Salt
I have to guess. You ready? Carrot. What was it? It's terrible. That was smart. You gave me the 3 different ones?
Yeah, 3 different colors.
Yeah.
Look at those 3 different colors.
You gave me one of those white ones in there?
I didn't give you that.
There's 3 different. Look at. There's that one. There's that one, and then there's that one. I would have known if I ate that because I tasted the marshmallow.
No, you wouldn't.
Cheater,
No,
cheater.
you would have not.
All right, cover up. Boy, oh boy.
So I see you.
You have to taste it. That's part of the challenge.
Cheddar Jack.
Correct.
Ugh.
That shouldn't be bad. It's just cheddar. Right? Just cheddar.
Cheddar battle.
Cheddar's better.
Better get a bucket.
All right, do you know which ones I have left? You know how many do I have left?
A tomato and a tomato.
How many do I have left?
I think 2.
I have tomato.
Correct.
So who?
You have 5 wrong.
So I'm the loser again?
So Poppy
This is, oh my, I'm gonna
has
throw
a
up.
spoonful of mayonnaise.
No.
And you have to dip.
Can you explain to everybody about me and mayonnaise?
Well, he hates mayonnaise.
No,
And
it's not just hate mayonnaise.
he dislikes mayonnaise.
I
And
can't
he's
even
a little
look.
baby, so he can't eat hot pepper.
I can't even look at mayonnaise.
So you have to take a bite of this, a bite of that, and then a bite of a hot pepper. You
Easy
do that
for you to
first.
say.
Do that first. Now.
Oh. Anyone that knows me.
As soon as I have to open it so I can shove the pepper.
No, you don't want to hurt me.
Open! All the way!
Oh. Woo!
Another bite!
No! Oh my goodness.
I'm a rock star. Gonna go and get paid. Oh!
Ah!
Now that's what I didn't mean.
My mouth is burning.
Here's another one.
Oh no. My mouth is burning.
There you go.
Alright, I think you should do your worst one just because of what you did to me
No,
with the hot pepper.
I don't want it.
You have to.
No.
Oh.
I'm not eating the hot pepper.
Mustard. Oh, that pepper is gonna kill me. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's disgusting.
Give me a kiss.
Oh. Yeah, you get my hot pepper. I can't stop the burning. I can't stop the burning. I think we gotta wrap this up. I can't stop the burning.
Oh, I know what? Maybe some mustard will kill it.
Oh, I can't stop the burning.
Don't forget what Grandma Jen used to always say.
Enjoy your life
Add your food.
every day. Ciao.
Oh. That actually was really disgusting.
My tongue is burning. You shoved it down my throat. No more of that. No, I can't take any more water in my face. Oh, I can't stop the burning.
Did you get your tongue stuck in
My
that?
tongue is burning.
It's burning. Just wanted to put some ice on
My
it.
tongue is burning.
Open.
No.
I'm a fountain drink. Drink me.
I'm up to